Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to this episode of Chatur Chachi Chronicles. Today, Chachi is going to be cooking for us pan grilled chicken in orange sauce. Over to Chachi.
Hey guys, we'll be making pan grilled chicken in orange sauce. For that we need these ingredients. For 2 people we need 2 chicken breasts, around a glass of orange juice. Right now I have used a canned juice, fresh cream, barbecue sauce, honey, ginger and garlic paste, salt and pepper. So let's start the method. First of all, we'll be cutting the chicken into 2 because 1 piece is too big, and we'll serrate it. I feel 1 chicken breast is more than enough for 1 person. So yeah, this can be eaten very well. It goes very well with garlic, burnt garlic rice or the pasta or whatever you like to eat it with. So now we'll be marinating this chicken, which we have serrated from both the sides, because if you serrate the chicken, then the marination goes really well inside. So that's one of the very important tips to be always kept in mind whenever you are marinating the chicken.
I believe, Chachi, that makes it very tender as well.
Yeah, and now we'll be putting ginger garlic paste on the chicken, and I'm rubbing it with my fingers because then I can push it really well inside. And so for 2 chicken breast pieces you need around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And now we'll be using salt and pepper, that is according to your taste, how much salt you want and how much pepper you want. If you want more peppery, you can add more pepper. If you want less peppery, keep it little. I'll be putting a barbecue sauce on it. You know, if you don't have a barbecue sauce, you can substitute it with tomato ketchup and soya sauce and use that. But if you have a barbecue sauce, that will give you a really nice and a very smoky taste.
Chachi, do you have a good brand for barbecue sauce?
You can use American Garden for that. Viva is also a good brand. If you are a little diet conscious, go for Viva. And now we'll be adding honey to it. Now we'll leave this chicken for around 15 minutes and we'll prepare the sauce by then. Chicken has been marinating since last 15 minutes. So now we are in the kitchen to prepare the chicken. Put a little bit of oil, not too much. Pan grill the now the chicken is sizzling. Let it cook from one side. It should become some golden pink color, and then we will flip it. chicken is done. It's almost done. Now we'll make the sauce. The sauce will be done in this pan only. Now we'll be adding the orange juice. Almonds. Little bit of salt and little bit of pepper. If you want it more spicy, you can put Tabasco, you can put blue pepper, you can put paprika, but I think this is good enough. You simmer it and then it's done.
Are you ready?
Yes, bro.
So what we have in our plates today is basically
Some chicken,
some chicken.
rice.
It's orange. It looks a little brown though,
Yeah, man.
but
We can manage. We can manage.
it's good.
Yeah,
It's got some
it
almond.
looks good.
It's pan-seared.
It has orange juice. I've heard that.
You heard it because of the commotion that was going on. Yeah, right. So we have pan-seared, or rather grilled chicken with orange sauce. Are you ready to taste it?
Yes, bro. Let's go.
It's been damn long, man. I'm bloody hungry. Okay, should I serve for you one?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you want me to cut it for you? Oh, just look at that.
Tender. Dude,
The knife just glides in. Just look at this.
so tender.
Yum. Oh, look at the juices, dude. Look at the juices, dude.
The color also looks good.
Amazing. Alrighty then.
Oh.
Yum.
Oh,
With all-
that color, dude. Color.
Perfectly done chicken. Can I serve some
Gravy.
gravy for you?
Yes, please.
Although we could have done with a little more gravy, but due to presentation reasons, we have
managed.
constraints.
We have managed.
Constraints.
Yeah.
Once this shooting is done, then we probably will get
More food for
more
us.
gravy and juice. Oh man, this just went through. We're not expecting to put so much effort, and you can see that my mouth is
Watering already.
already.
I think we
Amazing.
should start.
Okay, here goes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty then. The gravy is amazing.
Oh my god. Oh.
The chicken has some.
Oh. Oh.
Babu's already
I'm telling you, dude.
obviously having an orgasm, a food orgasm.
This is too good, dude.
But I've just noticed that there's a nice crust on the chicken.
Yeah.
Like crunchy
And it's not taking me like,
Huh.
it's not hard to cut it either. So highly recommended.
Amazing. Dude, I like this almond thing which is
Yeah, perfect.
love it.
Love it.
Lovely. Lovely.
You know, like McDonald's, I'm loving it.
Guys, highly recommend. Go and try this. Amazing.
Amazing chicken made by Chatur Chachi.
Chatur Chachi. Go like Chatur Chachi.
New video, it has just been uploaded right now. We highly recommend it.
Like,
Share, subscribe and comment.
as always, thank you for watching. बंद करो. Thank you. जयराम जी की.